Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Priyanka and I help you unleash the power of law of attraction and create the life that you want. So today's video is again a request that I should make a video on how you can manifest good health for yourself during this period, where we are suffering, where a lot of people are suffering from coronavirus and we all are at home. We are trying to stay safe, we are trying to be healthy, and we all want to be fit and safe and healthy. So this is something which you can use in if you have a particular kind of problem in any part of your body. Say if you're having shoulder pain, or if you have a heart problem, or if you have headaches, migraine, it could be anything. Okay, if any particular part of your body is in pain, or if there is a discomfort in any part of your body, or even if there is you are not aware of anything that there is a problem, but in general, if you want to manifest good health for yourself, you can use this technique, and I'm sure it will help you get rid of whatever it is you're trying to get rid of, and it would give you good and lasting health and well-being. Okay, so what you can do is, first of all, again, as I always say, whenever you're going for any kind of practice for manifestation, or practice for visualization, or to see anything yourself as that particular being, the first thing you need to do is find out a time which is when you are absolutely calm and there is no disturbance for you. Okay, so anytime during the day, just before going to bed, if it's early morning when you want to do it, just pick up a time, and what you need to do is take deep breathe in and breathe out. So just breathe in and breathe out. What happens is, and do it at least 20 to 30 times. And why I always ask you to start with breathing in and breathing out is because when you breathe in and when you breathe out, it actually relaxes and calms down your senses, calms down your body, calms down your mind. So you'll see that gradually all thoughts to calm down, and all thoughts are gone, and you are at peace and the body is relaxed, because that is when we are relaxed, that is when we can focus on what we want to manifest in our life, right? So once you have done that, in case if you're trying to heal yourself from a particular area in your life, in your body, like probably if you have shoulder pain, or if you have a headache, or if you have a heart problem, or whatever it might be, bring your focus to that part of the body. Okay, so in your visualization, in your mind, bring your focus to that part of your body and tell to yourself that all this pain is now gone, and I love my body and I am healing. Okay, so this is the affirmation that you need to do along with it. That is, I am perfectly healthy, I am free of pain or whatever it might be, and I am manifesting the perfect health for myself. My body pains are gone and I am fit and fine and healthy. So this is an affirmation that you need to keep giving yourself, okay, and give your that place where you are, where you want, which you want to be healed. Give lots and lots of love to that place. So in your visualization, see that you are giving lots of love to your shoulder pain, or to your headache, or to your heart, and visualize that the pain is slowly going away, and you are continuously making this affirmation that yes, I am fine, I am free of any pain, my heart is fine, or whatever it is you're trying to heal. Just keep repeating that affirmation. In case this is something which you can do in case if you have a specific point in your body which you want to heal. But in case if you want a generic good health for yourself, again, as I always say, visualize yourself as free from every kind of or any kind of health problems, and see yourself, okay, see yourself as that healthy being who is perfectly fine, who is who's completely aligned, because health is something which is very important for all your manifestation or anything that you need to do. If you need to work, if you need to, everything that you need to do, you need a good health for yourself, right? Without good health, your mind will not be at place, you will not feel good. So good health is the starting point for every manifestation. So the first thing that you need to do is visualize yourself as that healthy being which you want to be, and give lots and lots of love to that person. Okay, and I really mean it. Love yourself, love every part of your body, love everything about yourself, and give yourself lots and lots of love and say, I love my body, I love myself. Do these affirmations every single day. Say it to yourself that I love myself, I love my body, I am perfectly healthy, and feel that. Most importantly, when you say it, feel that you're healthy, feel that you're perfectly fine, feel that you are doing everything that you want to, feel that your health is aligned and you are in aligned with your manifestations and progress, right? So keep doing this, keep giving yourself lots and lots of love, and keep your focus only on the fact that you are perfectly fine. Okay, and trust me, with time, the more you love you give yourself, the more love you give to each and every part of your body. That may be your head, your hands, your heart, your lungs, if your stomach is upset. So just keep giving and visualizing that you are giving lots and lots of love to that body part, and say that I am perfectly healthy and my pain, and I am pain free. Okay, and trust me, because it has worked wonders for me. Whenever I have any kind of health problem, this is exactly what I do, and it works wonders. So try it. Practice good health every single day, because good health is the starting point for everything in life. If you are healthy, if you are fit and fine, you would be able to do every work possible. Okay, everything is then aligned and everything just comes to you. I hope you like this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so that whenever I make a video, which is now every single day, you get a notification. And share it with all the friends, people, everybody who you think needs to hear this during this time, who might be suffering from a health issue, and tell them to give themselves lots and lots of love. Share the video with all of them, and take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all again tomorrow. Bye-bye.